Greetings, Yamada. Hey, how you guys doing? This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light on health, wellness, self-care, beauty, and fitness. But, of course, many other things under the sun. But right now, today, we are making a plant-based dish, which is a kale salad. I haven't shared a video on kale salads before, so this is my first time sharing this. I eat kale salads quite often. I really enjoy making them, and even my children enjoy them, and I've been eating these for years, even though I've been a vegan for 3 years now. But kale salads are very good. But this salad that I'm sharing with you guys, I got the idea from a vegan restaurant in Atlanta. And for years I've been going back and forth to Atlanta to a lot of restaurants that I found that are vegan friendly. And so this particular salad that I'm making today, there's a restaurant in Atlanta, they make this salad and put it in a wrap. So today I'm sharing the salad with you guys, but of course without the wrap. So let's get started. Now this kale salad has avocados in it. I've already pre-cut avocados, the avocados, and I have some tomatoes, and I've already washed and pre-cut the kale. And we already know kale is good in protein, good for the body, and antioxidants. The tomatoes are good for losing weight, very healthy with potassium, good for blood pressure. That's what the tomatoes are good for. And we already know that this avocado is good in your good fat, of course, and it tastes really good too. But anyway, I'm going to, with this kale, I'm going to make my own sauce, which I'm gonna go ahead and put the kale on the plate. So this is what you do first. Just put your kale on the plate. Much as you would like. You can see how pretty it is. Then the next thing you can do is add your tomatoes. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top. Well, all of it on top. And I got the tomatoes diced up in 4 different ways. So I hope you guys can see this very well. So here it is. And next I'm going to use this blender. This is my sister's blender. So I've used it for the last couple of days and I like the way it blends, so I thought it would be the perfect blender for this video. So I'm adding some cherry tomatoes to this blender to make our sauce, or what you would call dressing, for the kale salad. Now, even though I put the tomatoes in there, I'm gonna add turmeric. Everybody knows that turmeric is good, and let me show you. I'm sure make sure you can see it. It's good. It's a good agent for anti-inflammatory. That means swelling. It's good for improving brain functions also as well. So we're gonna add some of that in there. You can put as much as you like, of course. This is paprika. Paprika is good for with antibacterial properties. It's good for healing wounds. And this is not the bottle that it comes in, but I borrowed some for my daughter to put in this recipe. So I'm gonna pour all this in there. And it's also kind of spicy, you guys. So I'll put that in there. And now I'm gonna be adding red curry. Now, curry is good for pain, it's good for swelling, and it's spicy as well. And the red curry, I bought it a while back. It was on sale, as you see. It was on sale, that's why I bought it. So it's just something, it smells really good and it tastes really good. But I haven't, and I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really looked up what red curry is good for, but we're gonna use this in this recipe. And I'm gonna add a sweetener, and today I have blue agave. I don't know if you can see this, blue agave nectar. So I'm gonna add this as a sweetener. I'm one of those people that like sweeteners with my foods, so I invested in this to sweeten this recipe, or this sauce that I'm going to be doing. So you guys, let's go ahead and blend this up and see how this comes out. I didn't add any salt to this. Normally with this I do add some salt, but I forgot it in this video, so we're just gonna do without it. I'm gonna taste it right now. Oh, good. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna that's a little more spicy than what I expected. So anyway, I'm gonna pour this over the salad. Kale salad. And I'm gonna, I guess I'm not gonna use it all. Some of these tomatoes around and bring them to the surface. Ooh, looking good. So there you have it. This is a kale salad with avocados. I hope you guys can see that. And this is going to be really good. This is a vegan dish, or you know, if you just want to eat healthy, you can use it. Anybody can eat this. It doesn't matter if you are a vegan or a vegetarian. Any of these dishes you can eat these. This is friendly for everybody. So anyway, this is our vegan dish for today. This is a kale salad, and that's it for our video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Well, if you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask. You can message me at illuminatedlight3 on Instagram, or you can just leave a comment here on YouTube. Do not forget to love yourself more, eat healthy, and travel. This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light. Peace and love, y'all.